right, it's morning. We're gonna burn up this morning and help my cousin Charlie. He works for another tow company and he's got an off-road recovery that he needs more pulling power with. So we're gonna go up with the FJ and hook on and help him tow a Ford truck that slid off the road in the snow. So it's raining here, but where I'm going, it's snowing hard. So we'll hook on and we'll go. Got Lando here. He's gonna slave away with me today. He'll be swinging the camera. We'll go see what this holds. I don't know, but we'll get it out of there. Slick out here today.
It is.
Away we go. We're locked and loaded. We'll go see if we can help Charlie out and get this truck back on the road. So it should be fairly easy, I think. Just a little snow. So we found the snow. It's not raining anymore. It's definitely snow. We've slowed right down so we don't crash and end up having to recover our own selves. So we're going to ease along. We got about another 6-7 minutes on the highway and then we'll jump the FJ off and go see if we can find him. All right, let's unload this thing and go see if we can help Charlie. It definitely snowed. All right, the FJ's not watertight without some wing windows, but hey, what the heck. Woo! Let's get some heat going in here. A little slickish. It's a lot slick. That's just sliding. Yeah, it's slick. It's plenty slick. Hey, we're starting to get some warm air.
Yeah,
We gotta get the Toyota put back together for these snow recoveries. This thing's not exactly snow friendly. Hey, can you see anything?
not really.
The old belts is squealing. It's got water on it. This is fun.
I know.
Lots of fun.
It is.
You can see why he needed some help now. These conditions are terrible. He's right there. It's slick, man.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
So it's right up, just right, you can see that one pole that's tipped over, it's right off of that
All right,
there.
let's go see what we can figure out. Found them. We're gonna get some lower gears on this so we don't spin. That's right there, huh? Okay. Let's go check that out. Oh yeah, right there. Yep, right there. Let's go look and see if we can get to right there. Turned winter all of a sudden.
I know, I love it, right?
I think we need to set up on here and run down to it.
That's what we were thinking.
Yeah. So I brought a bunch of stuff. All right, so here's the game plan. Char with Bryce Canyon Towing, he's gonna get his rig up on top of there where we kind of got an anchor where it's kind of pulling us over the hill. I'm gonna go get mine and go up next to him and then we'll run ropes down and hook onto that thing. See if we can get it. So last night he told me a story. He said come up because they couldn't make the driveway and it was stuck right there. So he grabbed the door handle and the truck just slid off the hill to where it is. So it's slick. Go back and I'll come up.
Okay.
stuff's about to get western. Knowing my dad, he likes to floor it.
That's slick. Well,
Snow's deep. Just in case you're wondering, snow's deep. Alright, what we're gonna need to do is get winch lines and everything run as far as we can and see if we can get hooked onto it. That's basically it. So, let's start going.
You think from here was a bit solid?
It's hard to know.
Yeah.
It's just drifted everywhere.
Yeah.
I want to be kind of stuck.
Right.
So that your truck doesn't pull me over the edge.
Actually, yeah,
We're
you're
gonna
right.
try. We're gonna see what happens.
might be a little stuck. There you got it.
Alright. Hopping onto there. How many straps you got?
One or two.
We'll probably need them. Head that way with it.
That's pretty cool. So the snow is actually like froze right
Yeah.
there.
Cool, put one more on it, we got it.
Yeah.
Then we'll hook that Jeep to the back of that Jeep.
To hold it.
Hold it. And maybe. Land, why don't you bring gloves for me?
I didn't bring gloves myself.
I know.
I didn't even bring in the right shoes.
You didn't even put boots on?
No. I got these.
I got boots on at least. You're like your mom.
Can't walk very fast.
Yeah, it's pretty slick. Be careful. Oh, you're in
Well,
flip
it's like-
flops. Oh, God.
64 degrees. It looks like rain over there.
And Michelle's got shorts and flip flops on.
I didn't think it was gonna be this bad.
Hook on this side of it. Do we need to cut those trees out of our way?
Probably wouldn't hurt.
I brought my little electric chainsaw. I'll go grab it. You want to get rigged up? Hopefully we can get it to the road before we run out of winch.
I think we
And
should be able to.
I think so. And then we'll take a rope off of it and get your Jeep down as far as we can, hook back onto it so it doesn't do this again.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You just touched the door handle and it.
No, I didn't touch the door handle. So it was kind of over here right at the edge, like right here. The back of the truck was right here.
Okay.
So I went to go around it. I grabbed the back of the bed. When I pulled around it, it just
That's good.
like
thing
I
you didn't
literally
load
was
in.
like, I just backed up and it was like, whoosh,
Oh geez, that's crazy. Well,
just slid.
it's slick. Let's go get your Jeep put in position and we'll go for this.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to do that.
No way.
It surprised me. That
We
was
stopped halfway down that other road, locked up everything. We couldn't get back up it. When you called me, I was like, well, if we can come up here, we'll do it.
Yep. Yeah, he's moving.
He's spinning. Yeah,
Yeah.
he's almost facing you right now.
Winch is just warm. I'm gonna let it cool down for a second. Will your wipers work, Char?
Yeah.
They're not turning on from the weight, I think. Oh. Turn back driver just barely. A little more. Right there.
Fab Rats did it again. Buddy. Yeah, did you let off? No. Yeah, I'm off. Okay, yeah, it's staying. Okay.
That slid through that tree, man.
All right, we about got this thing. We're on the road again. Just go slow. We'll keep going. You're gonna have to pull forward, I think. Guy could fall down right here.
Super slick.
Oh yeah.
I think it's the rain yesterday.
Oh yeah, it froze underneath. It's just ice.
Yeah.
Just when you think you're making it, you're not. And don't lose traction, old girl. Oh nope, didn't get it. That's no gas, it's just spinning. I run it over? You're on it. Ooh, that one was a fun one, Char. Yeah. Well, made it.
You guys come to help out, man.
Make sure you clean that lens off once in a while.
I do.
Get the snow off.
I don't think that there's no way I could have got
No,
that
you
out
needed
long.
more weight for sure.
And hands.
Oh yeah. Well, now if we can get it to the bottom of the rope.
I'm trying to take you right now to Cedar City.
Okay.
Buy some snow chains.
I don't know if I'd go to Cedar today.
No?
14 is going to be way worse than this. We're going to drive this truck to the bottom of the hill for the guy. This could be exciting. We may end up just driving out of this. We're going to see. Here we go. To find some fresh snow that hasn't been driven on yet. Just because there's traction in that. There's not traction in the stuff that's... Oh yeah, we got her. She's trying to pass us, but we got it.
Rear end's trying to pass the front end.
Voila.
Sliding off in the ditch.
We'll park it right there for the guy, and we'll go up and get the FJ unstuck and go home and get warmed up, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Bryce Canyon Towing's gonna unstick me now because the FJ's buried over there, and then we'll see if we can get off this hill without crashing. So it's slick.
Yeah.
I think we got her, man.
Made it.
Yep, don't worry. You'll repay this favor one day.
I'm hoping so. I'm glad you guys came and helped out, man.
Yeah, you definitely will.
Yes.
We're out of here.
I need your phone number if I get stuck with something like this.
Let's get out of here, man.
I agree. It's cold. I hate it.
Ease down this here road. All right, we are out of here. We've had our fun in the snow for the day. We're going home to warm up, drink some hot chocolate, and wash this girl off because she's got salt on it, and I do not want salt on this thing. So we're gonna go clean it off and get out of here. I didn't think it dented it anywhere. The truck. That's pretty cool.
It didn't dent it. Not over yet until we get the Duramax turned around. Well, too bad.
It snowed 2 inches while we were gone, man.
Really?
Yeah. Look at the trailer. All right, I'll get this thing loaded and we'll get out of here.
That is insane. Ooh, it was just barely on the edge. Well, it's slick.
It's slick. All right, we're in the Duramax again, getting warm. It's cold. Landon's frozen.
I'm frozen.
I'm cold. It's time to go home and warm up. So, thanks for watching.